Hello, guys. This old car is poisonous. We've had 3 months with this old Unimog behind us. It's done now. The cab has just been assembled. Come and have a look. Is this what it just looked like when it was pulled back? Take a look. The eldest brother operates this Chingtian pillar. Slowly carve it down. Put it on the trailer. Ready to drag out to make tendons? Come. Check out this God of War version of Unimog. It looked like this when I took it back. The one we repaired later is very new. Can you believe it? Look at the old irons. Was this brought back from Iraq? Oh my God. Hey, don't say it yet. Does this hand-rolled window work? Hey, it's a bit heavy. Ouch, hello? It's too heavy. The front gear is gone. Look at this seat. What the hell happened? Oh my God. How many kilometers? Whoops, only over 5,000 kilometers. Is this reliable, old irons? Oh dear. You need to take a rain cloth to cover him, right? Just like this outdoors in the wind and rain. Oh, forget it. How could such a good Unimog treat him like this? He became a Cyclops. This is a Unimog 46165 produced from 1963 to 1975. In the early 1960s, Daimler-Benz introduced the medium-sized 406 and 416 series in 1963. I don't know the old iron of this car. When I came back, the glass was gone. This is rearranged. If you need this Unimog front glass, you can send me a private message. We open the abrasives. It's fixed. Chassis armor sprayed below. It's still pretty after it's repaired. Now put this one. Kabi. Put it on. Come and show the old irons this chassis first. 4 big horns. We're all done. Oh, so beautiful. Come to the doctor? The engine has been new and can be found. Has it arrived in the mailbox? Did you see? Old Ty, let me show you up close. Don't be original. Menkiao, the original Menkiao. This Unimog 165. Powered by a 65 horsepower 4-cylinder diesel engine. And the U65 is named after the power of the engine. Later, this model was also developed into the U70. It's not easy to pretend to be a driver. These 5 or 6 people have been playing with dragons and tigers for a long time. Lift him up. How does it look? Fix the cockpit screws. Can anyone tell me what this is? I just don't get it. And here's a high-pressure hose. Look how tall this car is. Bring a small bench when you get on the bus. Then you can get in the car. Otherwise, I won't be able to go to Lao Gao. Fit the engine hatch of the cab. Loaded and ready for ignition. Hey, it's fixed. Does it look like a big grasshopper? Like the old iron you like?